Hi guys, so today we will be looking at this purchase which I did for my Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 2021 model, which is with the tripper navigation. So right now we will proceed directly into it. So I have purchased it around for 12,000. Actually I missed to place an order for jerry can. So later on I purchased. So all inclusive it came around 11,000 or something. But anyway I will share the invoice copy for you. But this is the jerry can, which is a long haul jerry can, same as long haul jerry can. It is black in color. So when you purchase this long haul jerry can, like this comes around 2,800 something, 2,800 something, wherein which is also having a lockable. This is a lockable jerry can. Okay, it is not a normal jerry can. It has a lock in it. Anyway, I will show you an idea, like a Jugaad idea, where you can lock it with, even if you purchase a normal jerry can, you will be able to lock it. I will let you know how to do that. But right now we will watch this. Okay, so this is the jerry can. I think there are two sheets which is pasted or melted, heated, and joined together. That's what I feel. So this is the jerry can. But anyway, I don't know whether how good it is, because for riding wise, this is really nice. Right now I have mounted the jerry can, two jerry cans on the bike, and I did not feel any problem and shake, vibrate, noise or something else. But in case for hole or something like that, I don't know how to check that, so I'm just having it. This is the master cylinder guard which I purchased. The previously you have seen that oil cooler cover. So this is the jerry can which I'm talking about. This comes with the jerry can itself. For 2,800 rupees you get this. Okay, a lock, key, two keys, and then the mounting kit. So all these things will come with the jerry can itself, so you don't have to worry. It is around 2,800 rupees. Please always refer to the invoice which I have shared here. Okay, for the price details. So next is like we will unbox this. This is the jerry can mount. Okay, this is a Crux jerry can mount. Crux jerry can mount comes around 1,080 rupees, and this is a pair. You get two pieces in it. And next is radiator grill. This is a radiator grill which comes around 1,200. This look may be normal, but as soon as you mount it on the bike, it gives a solid look. That is what I will say. And then the grill, headlight grill, is also really awesome. So right now I am just loading into my bike top box, so that I'll be able to fix it with the nearby mechanic. Okay, so we'll go there and we'll see how to mount and all these things. So there are so in this video I have posted a lot of everything which happened at the mechanic shop. So if you wanted to skip anything, kindly go ahead. Please feel free to skip wherever you want. Timestamps are already provided in the description. Okay, so wherever you want, please click on the link and proceed accordingly, because like I have posted all the mistakes which I have done here. Okay, see, for example, this jerry can mount has to be attached to the kit which we received for the jerry can. Okay, after that only we have to install it. Later, since we have installed it, the jerry can plate first, we are installing the jerry can plate first, and then we are installing the jerry can kit. So what happens is, you will not have enough space. So there is a guy, you will see a guy who will keep on tightening the screw for a long time, very long time, because that is a very lengthy screw. You will not be able to tighten it properly. And one more thing is, like, you will not be able to make out how the jerry can mount is, or how strong, how durable it is. And he has also missed attaching a washer. Okay, so this jerry can plate can be installed directly on the stock screws which is available there in the Royal Enfield. Okay, just unscrew this, and then we will be able to install the jerry can plate, this Crux jerry can mount. Okay, it is very easy. So this is the guy I am talking about. He will keep on, he is the one who is going to install the jerry can kit. So he will keep on tightening forever. Okay, since that is one mistake, because of that we have wasted a lot of time. So I just wanted to give you that information prior itself. Okay, and then we were not able to, and anyway, right now, as of now, it is fit properly. It is a snug fit. Okay, all these products are snug fit. I don't know whether only for headlight we had a small problem, so you will be able to watch it at the end. Okay, we are installing the headlight grill at the end. Okay, so just like that, see how easy it is. It is mounted very easily. You don't have to do anything. So you just keep this plate comes only with the two rubbers for each side. Okay, only with the two rubbers. There are no screws or anything else. So just like that, if you keep it, and then you have to adjust it properly, and then install the screws. That's it. The job work is done. But please ensure that before installing this plate, please please install that jerry can mount, that kit which you received for with the jerry can. Please install that prior itself. Otherwise it will be very hard or very time consuming process. It is because you will keep on tightening, because it is there are 4 lengthy screws. Okay, it will consume all your time there. So kindly ensure that you install the jerry can kit prior itself. Okay, so this is how you just install the screw. That's it, it's done. Okay, it looks awesome. I'm telling you guys, trust me, this looks awesome, great. It looks great on my bike. And I'm not sure which color you have chosen. I don't know whether it is because of my Royal Enfield color or something else. It looks gorgeous. That's what I want to say. So please have a look. This is the other side. For other side we had a little problem, because like this guy was not able to install it properly. So because the right side screw seated properly, or the left side screw he was not able to see, there is already a screw on the Royal Enfield plate which will go directly inside that, but right side is going fine. On the left side of that thing is not able to, we were not able to insert it properly. So then later on this guy has to come there to insert a small screwdriver, and then he aligned the hole, and then we installed the plate easily. Okay, so that's how it is done. So this is how it looks. It looks very gorgeous. It looks very gorgeous. The powder coating is good. The plate is good. The quality is good. Everything, the make of this product is good. I am really satisfied. I am totally satisfied with this. Unless until it is not going to make any problem to this bike. Okay. So this is the master cylinder thing. Master cylinder guard. You just have to unscrew these 2 screws. That's it. And then install it. It's so easy. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so this is the brake fluid reservoir cap or cover guard or something, however you call it. So you just have to, there is only 1 screw. You can install it by yourself. This costed me around brake fluid guard costed me around 599 or 480 or something. You can check in the invoice copy. So you just have to install it. Just keep it like that, and then put the screw. That's it. Okay, put 1 screw. That's it. It's so simple again. So you watch carefully. Okay. This is the radiator grill which I received, and this radiator grill cost me around 1200. So all these products are snug fit. If at all there is a problem, it's going to be only with the mechanic. Please ensure that please watch this video very carefully, because I have uploaded everything which happened there. I did not actually I wantedly left as it is, because you guys should know the errors what they will make. People when they remove this, they might miss the washer, or washer might fell down, and unknowingly mechanics would keep on tightening the screw. That would happen. But please ensure the washers are tightened properly, because the product from Bandidos, they are not going to make any mistake, because it is perfect fit for Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021. That is mentioned there. So they have, I'm sure they have done a lot of research, because if you see the other products, it is going to be fixed it is going to be fixed perfectly. So I will not have, see here in this radiator grill also, the bottom, first he has to install the bottom screw, okay, and then align the hole, only then he can install the radiator grill. But what he does is he is keep on tightening both the screw, and he was not able to give a full tight on the bottom screw. So what happens is he has to again, he has to remove, yeah, all this work, all this work he has done twice, okay, removing tightening, the screw will get loose. The power of the tightening would go for a toss. So please ensure that the procedure is followed properly. See, now only now it is seating properly, okay. See, watch carefully, and now you have to tighten the upper screw, and once it is installed, and please ensure the side of the radiator grill screw is already fixed, okay. Only then it will not shake while you are tightening, okay. So please ensure that is already fixed. This is the screw I'm talking about. With this should first we have to install that. Only then, because the radiator grill would shake while you are tightening the other two screws. So please ensure the side screw is fixed at first. Okay. The quality is really awesome. The powder coating or painting, I'm not sure what it is, but it is made really great. It was awesome. It gives a gorgeous look. Everyone actually asked me like, where did you mount this, what bike? Sometimes people ask me like, what bike is it? They don't even believe that it is Royal Enfield.
अभी आ रहा है वो? नहीं वो अलग फिक्स करेंगे. I will bring it. एक मिनट.
See, he's got a lot of problem with it. They don't have enough space to put their spanners or screwdrivers inside, so that is one problem. So please ensure that you have to, and installing this mounting kit is like, you have to watch it carefully, okay. If you make a small mistake also, then it will be a problem. So please ensure that you install this mounting kit with the plate or mounting bracket beforehand, before mounting that mounting plate, okay. So this is actually wrong. He should actually install that first. I mean, attach both this one and the plate first, and then he has to mount the plate to the Royal Enfield that one, what do you call it? I don't know what you call that. So you have to install that, okay. So unscrew this. If you unscrew this, you will be able to install the jerry can, okay. So this is how it goes, okay. Guys, even I am not an expert in this, or in case if I made any mistake, kindly let me know in the comment, okay. So then I will go ahead and correct myself. See, he is installing on the outside, there is no washer at all, okay. When you tighten, this is just a plastic. When you tighten the screws, this will definitely break the plastic. So he has to install the washer, and actually, like right now I will have to do all these things. I am going to unscrew this, and I will have to do it by myself. That is what I am thinking of. See, on the outer side, if you look at the thumb finger he is placed right on the outer side, he has not given any washer there. He has to give some washer for support, otherwise it will break the plastic when you tighten the screws, okay. And he is bending too much. Actually, it should not be bent, because it has to be it has to be snug tight, otherwise it will become loose while we are riding the bike with the vibration, okay. So this is how you install, and then you install the screw. So this made, I'll show you, it is a very long screw, 4 screws each side. It will take such a long time to install it, okay. That is why I am telling you, mount this thing first, after that mount the plate. So now we will go ahead and tighten the screws, that's it. the job is done for that. But I'm going to give, you can skip to the level, skip to the timestamps wherever you want, because this is going to take a lot of your time. But I'm just posting you in case some people would like to watch and know the error, what are the mistakes we have done. Some people would like to watch, so that is why I am putting this video. But if you are not interested, please go ahead and skip to the portion wherever you like. Okay, see, he is installing all the washers outside. He has put another screw, another nut by himself on the outside, so that the screw will not get loose. So that is all. Actually, it is not. It is unnecessary. He can just put whatever is given. That is enough. See, he's put all the washers outside. He has to put inside. He should put at least two washers on the outside. That is why they have given four washers each screw. They have given two screws for washers for each screws. See, this is what I am talking about. This guy will keep on tightening forever. At least he would have done it. I will just speed up now, but he will keep on tightening. Like I don't know how long he'll tighten. He'll keep on tightening forever, because he didn't have enough space to move out his spanner. Okay, so that is why that is a mistake which I am talking about. Okay, and now actually this is a mobile mount which came. This came with the mobile. Actually, I purchased a mobile mount, and this came with that. So what happens is, why I'm installing here is, like I have a small rig camera clamp, that is super clamp. So I will just install it, so that I can install my GoPro or 360 camera or something like that. This is the Himalayan grill, which this is costing me around 1779 rupees 99 paise. So this comes with nothing, 4 rubber washers for the grill, and then 4 screws and 4 washers for the grill. That's it. Okay, so and 2 clamps. So here also we made a very big mistake. By this washer will go inside the grill. Okay, here we made a very big mistake. By what happens is, like he has installed the clamp. If you watch him carefully, this is a mistake. Okay, you can, if you don't want to watch this, you can skip to the I have given the timestamps. Please skip to the correct procedure where how to install this thing. So what happens is, right now he is installing the rubber. Okay, for 4 corners he will install the rubber, which is provided by the Bandidos. So what happens is, he will install that rubber. See, he is installing. He will keep on installing. So now the rubber is installed. Now this is the mistake which he is doing. Actually, he should place, this one should come that side, opposite side. But I have told him, but this person is not understanding what I am saying. And the one more is the bottom of that grill screw. He is installing again. Okay, the bottom of the grill screw, the grill, you see the bottom screw, right? Bottom screw is not installed. Actually, it should come other side. The head should come inside. Okay, because like it is a long screw which is touching the headlight glass. Okay, so this should be, this even that should be corrected, but he is not listening. Even I have to remove that and do it myself. So now the thing is installed. Okay, so it is not tight. So right now we will just have to unscrew this 4 screws from the headlight thing. Windshield screws, and then we will have to install the grill. That's it. See, now he is realizing it. This is wrong. Only now he is realizing. I have told him first itself, because I had a video from Bandidos YouTube. I have a video from YouTube where Bandidos is provided. Bandidos has provided us how to install, the procedure for installing the grill. But since I told him to watch it, see, only now this will. But the JC, that custom, what do you call, that custom logo, some logos there which will come upside down. That is why now you cannot install it like this. So you have to unscrew again and then reinstall it. Even now he is trying to install the clamp first, and then he is saying that he will install the headlight grill. Even now it is not possible, because behind the grill there is only very small space wherein you will not be able to install make contact with the screws. Okay, so now again finally he listened to me, but at the bottom of the screw, this bottom screw, you see the bottom screw has to be, the head of the screw has to come towards the headlight glass. Because the screw length is too much, it is touching the glass of the headlight. Okay, so that is the reason I am asking you to install it the other way, only the bottom of the screw. Okay, so it requires two people to tighten it, because the other side of the screw will keep rotating. Otherwise maybe it is a locking system or something. It's good, that is really good, so that the grill will not loosen up. And then the rubber provided with the grill is also very nice. And trust me guys, the grill is looking gorgeous, awesome. The made finish, my god, I first thought like I will go for the 1400 variant or 1000. There was around three different style in this grill, but I went for this 1700 because I liked it very much. The design is so awesome, so that is why I went with this. And then I am so happy with the grill. Actually, only problem is like maybe I'm not sure whom to blame. None of the professional will accept like it is my problem. The mechanic would say that it is made this is not made correctly, and if you ask the banditos, they will say the mechanics have not installed it properly. That is what they will say. But it is, the problem is ours. So only the thing is like the bottom two screws are touching the glass, so we have to remove that and put it upside down. Okay, or else we will place a rubber. I have placed now, as of now, this guy, what he did is he has installed a double side sticker so that it is not touching the glass. I will show you at the end what I did. Okay, so this is my bike. I have this top case is screw case. I have purchased it Cool case, which is 35 liters, and if you wanted to watch the video, or if you want to know the price and other details, you can watch it on the Interceptor videos which I have posted earlier. So the jerry can mount is jerry can kit is all loaded, and it is ready to be mounted with the jerry can. So the grill is also done, and the only job is, see, this is what I am talking about. He has placed a double side sticker because it is touching the screw, and the upper two screws are fine, they have enough space. Only bottom two screws are touching the headlight glass. So that is it was not touching, actually it was having a small airline space. I am not sure whether it is touching or not touching, so that is why I asked him to put a rubber, but he installed a double side sticker. Anyway, I will have to remove that and make that put it in a way that the head of the screw comes this side. So still this person is installing the jerry can mount. So see, for just because of small mistake and he is not ready to correct that, he can just remove the plate and do it immediately within a fraction of a second. It can be installed, but he is not ready to do that. He just keep on tightening forever. Okay, so this is how it is, the lock works. And see, I'm so happy with whatever I have purchased from Bandidos. Really awesome, the quality is great, it looks massive, and my bike looks awesome, really awesome. And that's it guys. So please watch my other videos, like please subscribe to my channel, and if in case you like this video, please share it, and please leave your valuable feedback or comments so that let me know my errors and correct myself. Okay, So finally I will also show you how it is mounted, how a jerry can is mounted and how it looks. Okay, just wait for the end. I'm so happy guys, I'm so happy with this product. So in case if you wanted to purchase, I have given the link in the description, please go ahead. So this is how you mount the lockable jerry can. First you have to unscrew that, open the lock. Open the lock is just with one hand you can do it. It is so simple. It is not big deal. So it is like, this is the first time I'm trying, so I made some mistake. Maybe you just have to put the screw, put the key and then press it inside. That's it. You have to place it in a proper position. There is a cut there. Okay, you have to place it in a proper position, and if you just put the turn the key, it will come out. The lock will come out. Okay. After that, once the lock is come out, you have to remove that screw and then mount the jerry can. I am not able to show that video because my phone died that time, so I will not be able to show that video. But in case in future or in my next video, you definitely ask me, like in the comment, I will definitely post how to do that. If you really wanted that, I will post the video of how to mount this jerry can. Okay, so this is the look, final look of my bike. So how does it look, guys? Do you like it? It looks massive. I'm ready for Ladakh. So in case if I'm going for a long ride, this would definitely be helpful, and I am going for a Ladakh trip. Okay, so this is the Royal Enfield extended warranty sheet. Here actually I have purchased that 4799 extended warranty, which comes with a roadside assistance and 5-year warranty. It is 5 years roadside assistance plus extended warranty. So I went with that. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, and please share your comments. Like since it is a huge money, I just want to request you to please advise me if the amount which I have invested is worth, or because like there are others who are watching this channel or watching this video. It will be really helpful for or other new buyers who are watching this video. It will be really helpful for them. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye.